Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on sound and vibration, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to vibrate when ringing. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. If you wish to switch on or off haptic feedback, you need to click on the switcher over here. If you decide to turn it on, you can also adjust level of it by swiping left or right on this little slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!